In this video, we're going to look at BNB nodes, which is an amazing way for you to make a passive crypto income getting into the new 2023 bull market. Nothing I say is financial advice. Always go away and do your own research. Over here now on BNB nodes, which is linked down below in the description. Power to the people. In order to make the BNB chain more decentralized, BNB node network will be released as a layer 2 on the BNB chain and will support user hosted nodes. Now, if you don't know what BNB is, it's basically the native currency of the Binance exchange. And as you've probably seen more recently, Binance has just grown even more powerful, having bought out FTX and a number of other failing crypto companies, showing that not only one, it has a huge amount of money, even in a bear market, but also it's going to grow even more powerful, which you can see the BNB token also gaining strength through this bull market as well. This token, as you'd expected, has been featured on some of the largest news corporations, Bloomberg, Forbes, Bitcoin.com, NASDAQ. You get the picture, guys. It's massive, right? So we're coming down below, we can see introducing BNB nodes. So what are they? The best opportunity to earn big for those who missed the Bitcoin opportunity, a decentralized side chain of the third largest blockchain in the world, and it can be used as a source of passive income. Other lucrative marketing opportunities to build an active income. Okay, so basically what you can do is you can go through your wallet and buy a node, which is around 0.01 BNB. And as you can see, the current price of BNB right now is $307, making the price of one node just $3. So once you've connected a MetaMask, if you're not sure how to do that, there's plenty of videos on YouTube and it will take you literally 2 minutes. You can then buy some nodes and then you'll start earning a passive income, which is paid at 1% every single day. So for example, if you own one node, then every single day you will make 3 cents, which might not sound that exciting. But if you had $100, which is approximately 30 or so nodes, then each day you're gonna be making $1, which is like $365 through the year, but it's actually more than that because it can continue to compound. So what I mean by that is if I have $100, and today I make 1%, then tomorrow I have $101. And if I earn 1% on that $101, then I'm gonna earn $1 and 1 cent because I now earn 10% on the additional dollar that I've just made. And every day this continues to happen. And as I get more and more interest, the interest is then gaining its own interest. And as you can see, it then has a snowball effect in terms of the growth that you'll expect to see. Now coming down below, looking into the roadmap, you can see that this is Epoch 1, the bootstrapping phase. Enable purchases of BNB nodes, which will later be used to run BNB nodes, have 1 passive income opportunity and have 4 marketing opportunities. So basically like a referral thing. Obviously new tokens, etc. often try to reward people for growing their community. So that might just be reaching out to friends, etc. or a community if you already have one. Then down into Epoch 2, various other launches happening. So initially you've got like one way to make a passive income, but over time you're going to see more and more opportunities to be able to make further incomes, up to 5 potentially, which does sound promising. Okay, so over on the BNB nodes website, once you log into your MetaMask, you have the ability to then go and buy nodes, and you can see here each node is 0.01 BNB, and if you buy like 3 nodes or 31 nodes or whatever, you can see the price changes down below. Once you select the amount that you want, you just click the button and then you go and confirm it over on your MetaMask account, and then the purchase will eventually go through. It might take a little bit of time, so don't worry, it's just updating. And as you can see, it says you can now continue to get profits until you gain up to 300% of your total investment, which is a 3x on basically what you put in the first place. So we've put in here $100, and now you can see down below the details on the smart contract. And as I already told you earlier on, you can then make 1% every single day through that. And your $100 is going to get 1% every single day. And then every day you're going to be able to compound that. Not only that, the price of BNB is also likely to go up as we're seeing the cryptocurrency market starting to move into a more bullish phase after the announcements from the Fed that happened just yesterday. So you can see just by investing a 0.31 BNB right now at $100, we're likely to see a percentage growth, 1% every single day. If we jump into the white paper, then there's a lot of other information available as well. Now, first thing you want to do when you're looking at any project, guys, is get into the audits. Now, there are tons and tons of scammy crypto companies out there, right, guys? So you've got to protect yourself. And I've been burned, and this is why I've learned, do this, and you should definitely do it as well. Get into looking at the audits. It might seem not that exciting and a bit boring, But if a company's been audited, the smart contract source is available here, because anyone can go and create a website and say that they've been featured on this and that news site and whatever else. Go away and do the research on that, guys. It's important that you do this due diligence, because otherwise at some point you will get called out and you will lose money. So what we can see down below, you've got the smart contracts, you've got the documentation, you've got everything. Scammy fake websites won't have this, so always worth going and doing the checks. So in order to get started doing this, guys, very straightforward. You need to go and set up a Binance account. If you're in the US, then you might need a VPN or a virtual private network, which you can pretty much get for free as an extension. If not, you can pay a small fee to get a better VPN. Then you can go and buy BNB. You can do that with like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, whatever it is that you're using. Or if you've already got cryptocurrency, you can just change it into BNB, but I'm sure you're already aware of that. Then once you've got BNB, you can set up a crypto wallet like MetaMask. This is MetaMask up here. So you just need to go and find that in the extensions for Google Chrome. Again, very easy to set up. You can then move your BNB into that crypto wallet, and this will enable you to buy your first node. Once you've got that node, you'll then start earning a passive 1% every single day, and you can see that you will have to claim your rewards. Clicking on buy nodes, it gives you the tutorial on how you can buy a node, and it gives you the following link, which will take you across to the app, at which point you can go and buy the node very easily. You can see they confirm the transaction in MetaMask. It'll take literally 10 seconds. Binance BNB Chain is super fast, guys, and very cheap as well, which is obviously excellent. As you can see, it will generate 1% per day, which is obviously pretty good. Definitely way better than you're going to find in many other things. But obviously the BNB token is a volatile asset and could potentially go up and down in value. So if you're going to invest $100 today and it falls 20%, then you're still going to be making 1%. But the game with crypto isn't to worry about day-to-day moves, but to look down the line. Big picture stuff, where in 6 months or a year, I'm looking to hold lots of crypto and hoping that it's gone up in value, which I'm pretty confident in a year to 2 years, you're going to see massive gains in pretty much every cryptocurrency that can survive this bear market. So guys, all you got to do is jump over to BNB Nodes, link down below in the description, get through and read some of the details, check out the audits and all of that stuff over on GitHub so you can familiarize yourself with what that kind of stuff looks like. Obviously, this is a legitimate platform. This is why we've done our due diligence to check it out before we've looked at it. However, go and use this opportunity to learn a bit more about how it all works. You got the guide just linked up here where you can go and find out way more information. There's also a little video just down on the right hand side here which you can watch in order to find out a bit more information, and then you just need to click on get started and then follow the steps that we already talked about. Buy the BNB and then your MetaMask, and remember you can make 1%, and one node is literally just $3, guys. So it's probably a bit of a no-brainer that it's worth having a shot, given that the bear market has been in a brutal downtrend for a long time, and we are about to see a bit of a turnaround in my opinion. Guys, if you enjoyed that video, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button for me. It really helps me out. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about crypto, Web3, yield farming, NFTs, and so much more, then hit subscribe, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.